Hey y'all, it's Monet. So I'm coming to you all with this everyday makeup look. This is what I pretty much do all the time, whenever I'm wearing makeup at least. But first I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the color Ebony. And I'm using a pencil because it looks more natural than a pomade does. Pomade for me is like more glam look. But then I'm taking the Nars Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer in the color Cuba. I love this moisturizer so much. Well, tinted moisturizer, because it gives you coverage, but it's so light that it literally looks like skin, and it just evens out your skin tone completely. But it looks like your skin. I don't know how to explain it. I was wearing this for my boyfriend, in front of my boyfriend the other day, and he was like, do you have on makeup? Next, I'm putting on the 16-hour Camo Concealer under my brows by e.l.f. I'm also going to use this under my eyes when that part comes, but yeah. And now here we go, under my eyes. And then I'm going to blend it out. It's really full coverage, so... Next, I'm putting it on my forehead a little bit to give it highlights, and there's Jayla in the background with my cat creeping. Boom. Next, I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. I love this so much, but I'm using the highlight color, and this whole thing is in the color Caramel Toffee. And now I'm just kind of chiseling my nose with the darker bronzer color on the other side. Then from the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, I'm using the color Puree, and that is like on the bottom row, the fourth one on the bottom row. And then to highlight, I'm using the color Nectar, which is in the second row, the first one. Then I'm using the Mario Badescu spray in aloe, cucumber, and green tea, and I'm fanning my face for the gauze. Just fan, yes, get it, yes. And then I'm lining my lips with this LA Girl Ultimate Eyeliner in Lasting Brown. Still using it on my lips though. And then the NYX Soft Lip in Abu Dhabi. Hey everyone, it's Monet, and I'm coming to you all with this hair from westkisshair.com. I've done a review for them before on their curly bundles, I believe. Don't quote me, I think it was their curly bundles, but I just did a review for them. I love their hair so much. I still wear that hair now, and it holds up really good. But I'm gonna give y'all the specs on this hair real quick. It is 22 inches, so it's pretty long on me. I'm 5'4", but it's pretty long on me. So the color is 99J. It came like this, so it's pre-dyed. You don't have to do anything to it. So if you like this kind of color, you don't have to get blonde bundles and then dye it burgundy, because this is already burgundy. This is like a wine kind of purplish red color. And then the density of this is 180%. And then the cap size is medium, so they have small, medium, and large, but medium is like average. So if you add all that together, then it comes to $231, and they said that the price before was $513, so it's 55% off. So you will be paying $231 for this. That's not too bad at all, in my opinion, for it to be colored. And it's 22 inches long, and it's a lace front that's pre-plucked and everything. I think that's a really good deal. But yeah, it's really silky. I had no problems with tangling, no problems with shedding. I had no problems with... I pretty much had no problems with anything. So I didn't wash it yet, so I don't really know about tangling after washing. But I didn't want to yet because it was super straight and it didn't have a smell to it. And I'm like, I don't want to really wash it because then I would have to go in and flat iron it all over. But it's already straight, so I just had to flat iron it a little bit on the ends because the ends were the part that was kind of wavy. But everywhere else it was straight. So I was like, okay, let me just part the hair and cut the lace off. So I sprayed water where I wanted it to be part, so right here in the middle. And I parted it with my rat tail comb while I was on the mannequin head and like combed it over like this. And then I sprayed it with water some more, because when you first get a wig, like the top is kind of lumpy-ish. It's like extra hair fluffed up, so you gotta kind of wet all that. So I just wet around here so it was more flat, and I put some mousse on it, tied it up. But I'm like, that's way faster than having to wash the whole head and wait for everything to dry. So I just wet up top to where it was going to be flat. Yeah, I 100% recommend this hair. I think it's super smelly. Okay, my cat. I didn't even notice my cat came up here, but okay. That's good. That is good quality and it's colored and you get it pre-plucked and everything. It's an A in my book. The only thing that I'm missing though, again, I didn't wash it yet, so I don't know how tangling would come when it comes to washing it. If y'all want to update, follow me on Instagram and ask me, because I'll definitely be washing this hair and seeing how it works throughout time. And I'll be posting pictures with this too. So if you have any questions, you can always ask me on Instagram or even in the comment section below. Ask me how it's holding up and all that good stuff. But yeah. Say bye, Mel. Hit the whoa. 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 Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. He hates me.